So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get the Snap Recap or Snapchat Recap inside of Snapchat. Now, what Snap Recap basically is that it's a really cool way of kind of going through and kind of seeing all the Snapchats and all the history of the Snapchat that you've done within that year. Now, first of all, it's still coming out in a rolling basis. So it's not available for everybody just yet. It's still going to be coming out. But if you're trying to go through and get access to it, the first thing you can try doing is to go through and just make your way over into this website right here, which is snapchat.com/recap. So go to that website inside of your phone, snapchat.com/recap, and go and search. When you do that, it's going to go through and either ask you if you want to do it in the internet browser or, in Snapchat. If it says coming soon, it doesn't really matter. But if it shows you or if it tells you that it's been released, you can tap into Open in Snapchat and you should be able to see a recap feature pretty much open up within Snapchat. So that's one way to do it. You can also go through and make your way over into Snapchat like this, and there should be a little recap button that will show up here as well, and it will basically notify you that there is some sort of a Snapchat recap option that came up. So that's kind of how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.